As COVID-19 continues to affect communities, access to reliable testing remains essential. Many people are searching for free test kits, and COVIDTests.gov is a website that claims to offer them at no cost. But is COVIDTests.gov legit, or is it a scam? Let's examine its authenticity and reliability. What is COVIDTests.gov? COVIDTests.gov is an official U.S. government website that provides free at-home COVID-19 test kits to eligible residents. It is operated by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, and the United States Postal Service, USPS, as part of the government's public health response to the pandemic. How does COVIDTests.gov work? Ordering free test kits from COVIDTests.gov is simple. Visit COVIDTests.gov and click the Order button. You will be redirected to a USPS website to enter your name and mailing address. Submit your request, and the tests will be shipped at no cost to your provided address. There is no requirement for credit card details, and the website does not ask for unnecessary personal information, ensuring privacy and security. Is COVIDTests.gov legit? Yes, COVIDTests.gov is 100% legitimate. It is an official government-run website designed to distribute free COVID-19 test kits to the public. Millions of Americans have successfully used the site to receive reliable test kits. Are the tests from COVIDTests.gov accurate? The test kits provided through COVIDTests.gov are FDA authorized and sourced from trusted manufacturers. They are rapid antigen tests that deliver results in minutes, making them a convenient option for detecting COVID-19. Should you use COVIDTests.gov? If you need free, reliable COVID-19 tests, COVIDTests.gov is a safe and trustworthy option. Since it is managed by the U.S. government, there are no hidden fees, scams, or security risks. Always ensure you are visiting the correct website to avoid fraudulent copies. If you require additional medical advice, consult a healthcare professional or your local health department. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.